my name's Colin, I'm from HDCCTV. This video is about the XVISION XC960T. It's a traditional box camera with interchangeable lens. Let's take a closer look. This is a traditional box type camera. It can be used internally by just adding a suitable lens and bracket, or if you add a weatherproof housing and infra red illuminators, you can use it outside. Please give us a call if you need a specific lens and bracket combination. The camera outputs 700 TV lines, giving you a resolution of 960 by 576, and it works in low light down to 0.0003 lux, or it can be used with any of our external illuminators. The camera is fully programmable on the rear using these menu buttons, and we have wide dynamic range, highlight suppression and noise reduction functions. Let's take a look at some footage with this camera. The XC960T is available for sale now on our website, HDCCTV.co.uk, or you can call us on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.